Hey, what's up guys, this is Jamul and you are watching TechEJ. Honor View 20 is the first phone in the world which came with 48 megapixel camera sensor and a punch-hole display. If you like this video, consider to subscribe and let's get into the video. As well as the phone, in the box you will get a SIM ejector tool, a silicone case, 22.5 watt supercharger and Type-C cable. Nothing new here, but with modular camera setup and gradient finishes, it still managed to feel something new. With holographic printing technology, it's back looking unique and never seen before. If different angles of light reflects on its back, it will be more crazier look like. It came with various color options, but red gradient finishes is the most attractive looking. In 2019, it still managed to keep the headphone jack, and I found the fingerprint sensor is placed in perfect position to reach my finger. You will get it as a cheapest flagship phone which came with a 7nm chip. And this will give you some efficiency that you would not get on some 2018 flagship phones. And combined with liquid cooling technology with two dedicated chips just for AI tasks and GPU Turbo 2.0 which can stabilize frame rate while gaming. In the storage and RAM side, you are getting two options here. One is 6GB of RAM and 128GB of storage, and other one is 8GB of RAM and 256GB of storage. Also 4000 mAh battery can give you pretty good battery life because of Android 9 Pie and having 7nm chip with Kirin 980 processor. The font size of this phone is not a big deal. Being a flagship phone, it came with 6.4-inch LCD display instead of OLED. It also got full screen display instead of ugly notch, and first time in the world that is punch-hole display. Having a notchless display, you are getting much more place in notification bar, and while you watching video, you will get much more less interruption. And in lots of video game like in PUBG, your thumbs will cover the cutout entirely. You can also disable it if you don't like, but I think this mobile will look more modern without disable it. In camera department, it feels little offensive because in here you are getting single camera setup. But you will quickly realize that image quality is even better than its previous because it has massive 48 megapixel camera sensor with AI vision. Having high resolution, you can zoom out more and more. Now the problem with high resolution camera is a noisier photo in low light condition, but the AI vision will help you to get clean, sharp and colorful low light image. You are also getting 960fps slow-mo video recording option, but the video quality will get down. But in normal 4K video is good and stabilized with optical stabilization. It also supports 3D emoji like Samsung or iPhone, and here you will also get some AI feature like AI shopping. You can take a photo of an item and directly shop it from online. And this AI feature also works in some areas like network speed optimization, and it takes advantage of built-in dual GPS to figure out more accurate location. For now, that's all about the Honor View 20 and hope that you like this video. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.
Hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush.